You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Veteran Nollywood actress Idowu Phillips, also known as Iya Rainbow's son, Femi Phillips, are dressed like woman, has got people thinking whether if he is trying to be another Bobriksy in making. Femi dressed and danced like a woman in the video he shared on his Instagram page. Femi Phillips acted and behaved like popular cross-dresser Bobriksy in order to make people laugh. The video has put in a lot of attention and many think it generated comments from Nollywood actors, where many people think he did it because he is bored and cannot get busy due to lockdown.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.